We were asked to assist in the repatriation of VonTrey Clark back to the United States. And I know a lot of people wonder how we do that. We actually have 64 legal attaché offices in over 200 countries. We have agents there that support those countries and their relationship to the United States. We share intelligence, we work criminal matters, and we create these relationships. We've been doing this over the last 70 years. So it's the legal attaché program is very important, especially when we're dealing with countries that don't have extradition treaties. We develop those relationships as law enforcement to law enforcement so that we can capture violent criminals either from the U.S. that travel there or vice versa. So it's very important that those relationships exist. When the sheriff and the Texas Rangers asked us to do that, this case, as Samantha was part of our law enforcement family here in Central Texas, we thought we had to go to great lengths to do what we could do to bring back VonTrey Clark in the interest of justice. So that was very important. Also, it sends a message that if you're a violent criminal in the U.S., the FBI has the reach around the world to come get you. And we will use the resources and the relationships we develop to do just that. And we will bring you back for the sake of justice. We had, years ago, we realized that we didn't have an extradition treaty with everyone in the world. But we had lots of people that contribute in our legal attaché program, allow us in diplomatic status. So what we did is we created Project Welcome Home. And Project Welcome Home was created to bring back some of these violent criminals and the serious criminals that try to escape our justice system by going overseas. And that project is funded separately so that we have a congressional budget line to go get people from different countries. So this was not an extradition because there's no treaty. So what happened is when the Indonesians, who we have a really good relationship with, reviewed the Interpol Red Notice, which talks about the warrant, what he's wanted for, and they reviewed his documents, they decided to expel him, basically. It's like an immigration violation. So we had canceled his passport, so he had nowhere to go. So he's expelled, so they kept him until we came and got him. And that's actually how it happens.